How to receive coins on Bitget Wallet from any seller or friends. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can receive coins from any seller or your friend on Bitget Wallet. So open your home interface on your Bitget Wallet and you'll be able to see this icon of receive at the top over here, like over here. So just click on receive. Once you click on receive, you'll be able to see minutes of different kinds. So for example, if I'm selecting BTC, or you can just choose whichever you wish. So for example, if I'm selecting this BTC or ton, for example, if I'm selecting BTC, so you can back up your mnemonics phrase. The mnemonic is the key to your wallet. Your assets will not be safe if the mnemonic phrase is leaked. So you can either click on backup now or click on later. And after that you can open the Bitget Wallet app from your seller's or your friend's phone, and after opening the phone, when they click on the sell button, they can click on scan QR code and scan this QR code from your phone. Or there's another way that you can just copy this link here at the bottom and send it to your friend, and your friend or the seller can just paste this in their Bitget wallet and send you the coins. So it's pretty easy. I hope you understood it. So that is how basically you can receive coins on Bitget wallet. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.